Crystals have the power to transform your energy, bring balance, and unlock the secrets of crystal healing. In this video, we'll reveal the must-have crystals every beginner should own, their powerful properties, and how to use them to boost your energy and intentions. These easy-to-find, beginner-friendly picks make up a well-rounded list, perfect for anyone starting their crystal journey. Links to all the crystals are in the description. Now let's dive in. Clear Quartz, the master healer. Clear quartz amplifies energy, clears the mind, and supports any intention, making it the ultimate beginner crystal. It's often called the universal crystal and has been used in everything from ancient spiritual practices to modern technology. Beginners can meditate with it to enhance focus or place it near other crystals to boost their power. Keep it on your desk or in your space for clarity and balance. Its adaptable energy makes it an essential tool for supporting and enhancing any intention. Amethyst, the calm protector. Amethyst is a popular and versatile crystal known for its ability to calm the mind, reduce stress, and enhance intuition, ideal for beginners seeking emotional balance and overall well-being. Beyond its emotional benefits, amethyst is also believed to support physical health by easing headaches and promoting restful sleep. Place it by your bedside for relaxation, or use it during meditation to quiet the mind and deepen your focus. Its soothing energy makes amethyst a must-have for peace, clarity, and holistic healing. Rose Quartz, the love magnet. Rose Quartz is the ultimate crystal for love, self-compassion, and emotional healing. It's said to strengthen relationships by fostering trust, harmony, and forgiveness while deepening connections. Place it in your bedroom to attract romantic love, or wear it as jewelry to carry its gentle, heart-opening energy throughout your day. Its soothing presence creates a warm, loving environment. Citrine, the manifestation stone. Citrine radiates positivity, joy, and abundance, making it perfect for boosting confidence, inspiring creativity, and attracting prosperity. Place it in your workspace to enhance productivity, in your wallet to invite financial growth, or use it during goal setting to focus your energy and turn your dreams into reality. Its uplifting energy and creative spark make citrine an essential crystal for beginners and seasoned crystal lovers alike. Black Tourmaline, the protective shield. Black Tourmaline is a powerful protector against negative energy, grounding emotions and promoting stability. Historically, it was used as a talisman by ancient cultures to shield against harmful forces. Place it near entryways to block negativity, or carry it for personal protection. Its grounding energy is essential for creating a safe and balanced space. We've shared some powerful crystals so far, but the last three are essential to round out your crystal starter kit. You won't want to miss them. But first, if you're enjoying this video, like, subscribe, and share it with anyone starting their crystal journey. Now, back to the list. Green Aventurine, the lucky stone. Green Aventurine is the ultimate crystal for luck, opportunity, and prosperity. It's said that gamblers have long believed it enhances your chances in situations requiring luck and good fortune. Carry it in your pocket during important opportunities or new ventures to invite success, or place it on your heart chakra to inspire optimism and a positive outlook. Green Aventurine's uplifting energy helps you seize opportunities and attract abundance into your life. Carnelian, the energy booster. Carnelian is the ultimate crystal for motivation, confidence, and creativity. Known as the artist's stone, it has inspired bold ideas and fearless action throughout history. In ancient Egypt, it symbolized the courage of the sun and was worn by warriors and leaders for strength. Place it on your desk to spark creativity, or carry it to boost confidence and tackle challenges. With its fiery energy, Carnelian keeps you focused and driven, helping you overcome procrastination and achieve your goals. Selenite, the energy cleanser. Selenite is highly valued in crystal healing for its ability to clear energy blockages, strengthen spiritual connection, and cleanse other crystals. Often referred to as a light bringer, it's used to refresh and recharge the energy of stones placed on a selenite slab. With its luminous, moon-like glow, this versatile crystal is a beginner's essential tool for maintaining energetic balance and clarity. These beginner-friendly crystals are just the start of your journey into the transformative world of crystal healing. Scan this QR code or check the link in the description to easily access all the crystals featured in this video. Is there a crystal you think belongs in this starter kit? Share it in the comments. This video is part of our Crystals for Every Intention series, where we explore our favorite crystals to enhance every area of your life. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series to build your crystal knowledge and energy healing toolkit. To take your crystal practice further, watch this ultimate guide next, where we cover how crystals work, crystal care, shopping tips, cleansing, charging, and practical ways to use them in your life. See you there!